This is miracle leaf, and miracle leaf needs no introduction because it attracts a lot of blessings, especially financial blessings to you. It brings money, it brings open doors. People will be begging to give you something. It's even good for attraction. You can use it for attraction. Miracle leaf is very, very effective. If you know this leaf, then you don't have business being poor. You don't have business being single. You don't have business lacking anything in life. Hi, you are welcome back to our channel Smart Idea TV, where we talk spirituality. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use miracle leaf to attract goodness, abundance, financial blessings, attraction. How you are going to be using miracle leaf to do wonders. At the end of this video, you will never lack anything again in your life except you don't use this particular recipe. Miracle leaf, as it is called, that's the generic name, miracle leaf. There are so many names for miracle leaf in different climates. In Nigeria, I'm a Yoruba, where I come from. We call it abamoda. Abamoda. And the meaning of abamoda is that you can use this to command. Once you say something, it will come to pass. In Ghana, they call it tamewu. And in some other places, some people call it leaf that never dies. I think the miracle leaf is the general name for it because of the miracle it performed. This leaf never dies. Even if you cut it and just put it on the floor, so far it comes in contact with good soil and air, it will germinate. If you now put it where the water is moist, like very close to a source of water, you see it getting very, very big. Miracle leaf is the miracle of our century, or miracle, nature's miracle, because it has so many uses. It has so many uses. But I'll be concentrating in this particular video on attracting favor, goodness, financial blessing, and attracting the opposite sex. People want to like you, they want to assist you, they will like you if you know how to use this. So just follow me along and I'll explain how to do this to you. Miracle leaf is very, very simple to use. So, because it's not something that you need any incantation, it's not diabolic. This one is not even, it's not magic. It's just nature's blessing. So, what are the recipes you are going to be using? One, you are going to be using miracle leaf. Miracle leaf. And we are going to be getting 16 of this miracle leaf. 16 is not too much, but if you cannot get 16, then you can get 7 or 9. If you are a female, you can get 7. If you are a male, you can get 9. But if you can get 16, very good, because you are going to be squeezing this leaf. Then number 2, you need spiritual oil or perfume. Spiritual oil or perfume. Spiritual oil or perfume. I've done a video talking about one secret spiritual oil that you can use. I will link it here for you to see. So you can get spiritual oil. Just go to people selling spirituals and tell them you need spiritual oil or spiritual perfume. So you are going to be combining this with your cream. that you use in the house. Now, how do we prepare? The preparation is simple. The miracle leaf that you have, you are going to be squeezing it because we need the liquid from this. You are going to be squeezing it. You can blend it. You can blend it. But when you are blending it, you don't add water. Don't add water at all. You are going to be blending it, but don't add water. But if you can squeeze it, then you can use your hand to squeeze. Then the water, the liquid that comes out from it is what you need. So just squeeze it or blend it. If you blend it, then you are going to, after blending it, you pack it, then you sieve it. You need the water, the liquid from it. Get it into a container. Then this water now adds your spiritual oil. Add it to your spiritual oil. Add it to your spiritual oil and mix it together. You can add the spiritual oil into the container of the miracle leaves water or liquid. Then you shake it together. You shake it together. Once you've done that, then you've done the first part. Now, the second and the final part is now using it. How do you use it? You are going to be adding this liquid into your cream, the cream that you use, especially for the ladies. You know, most ladies use cream, the cream that you use to rub your body, your skin. Just add a little. You don't have to add everything. Just add little. You can use that's the one that you prepare. You can use it for the whole year. You can use it for 3 months, 4 months. It depends on how. You just add little to your cream. Add little to your cream. But if you don't use cream, any cream, then you can just be using the oil as it is, the oil and the water. Just use it to rub your palm and just apply it. Just not so many, just apply it very little and apply it all over you. Just apply it. If you're adding to the cream, then use the cream to rub all your body. So what is this going to do for you? This one is going to be your good luck charm. One, money will never run dry from you. Money will never go away from you. Then there is no day that you use this that you will not be blessed.